Hello, this morning I want to test this tool, the HDMI Extender via RJ45. So I will use Easy Multi Display, my software. So I select two screens. You can see one is there and the other one is there. So I select two screens. I can make the setup directly here. So I will define two areas on my screen. On the first part here, the number one, I will put my website on the website of a city close to my house, Carcassonne. And on the other screen, I will select the website of my other company, a virtual cockpit. So one area, two area, you can see here, 1, 2. Let's go to the following screen. So on my following screen, the screen number 2 here. So my TV is here, one area, the TV is there in the garden. Up. I will select one screen. I will put one video. So I select here. Let me touch the media, and I will select the food market, which is a short video. So it's okay, I can memorize if I want, and I will start the display. Let's go. So as you can see here, it's my first screen, my laptop. So there are two areas. You can see the scrolling on the first one, and on the second one, if I want, I can interact. I will change the menu, see the latest news on my website, and it's okay. And on the other part, you have my TV there, which is in the garden, and you will see what we are displaying. Okay. Here it is, and let's see the nice landscape close to here.